Today, I want to talk about something that I hear all the time. AI is going to take over everything. But let me stop you right there. AI is not going to take over everything. AI is not here to replace you. AI is not going to do all the thinking. If you have ever worried that AI is going to take over your job, your passion, or your identity, you're not alone. But the truth is more human than you think. As someone who is working on AI every single day, I've seen both excitement and fear. Let's look at where the fear came from and how our thinking has changed and how AI is here to help us. Let's go back in time and understand how the technology and the gadgets have evolved and how we are using it today. Think about when people heard music for the first ever time on radio. It was exciting and also scary. Some even thought it would replace books and storytelling. Then TV came in. People were afraid it would stop real conversations. When the internet came, many worried about isolation and too much screen time. But with very big tech changes, we learned, adjusted, and even we thrived. Fear isn't new. It's normal when something big and new shows up. Now with AI, the fear feels bigger. It seems like AI is not just here to help us, it's also kind of thinking. But that's not quite right. Let's understand what really AI is. AI stands for artificial intelligence, as all of you know, but it's not a real brain. It's a smart system that uses data and algorithm to do tasks that look like human actions. It can understand language, spot patterns, learn from examples, and make predictions. But here's the thing, AI doesn't truly understand things like we do. It just processes the data that has been given to it. It doesn't think, it runs calculations. It's not alive. It's just trained on lots of data to find the most likely answers. Let's understand how ChatGPT works in this real world, right? It's a generative AI tool. When you type in a prompt, the system breaks your message into small parts called tokens. These tokens are processed through large language model that was trained on a huge amount of text that is available on the internet. The model uses algorithms to recognize patterns, context in the tokens, and predict the most likely response based on training. It sends you back a reply not because it understands you, but because it has been trained on a language which can be understood by the model, and it is trained on a data sets that has been available to it. So it's not magic, it's just math, a lot of data, and a smart design of algorithms which is running behind these generative AI platforms. As an AI strategist and an engineer, I work with this stuff every day. I create strategies around AI topics and AI projects. I work with my customer closely and explore use cases that can actually become real solutions and work on models, that make predictions, sort data, help with the decision making. One such project that I worked in automotive industry is where AI helped improving how vehicles were tested and monitored during development. The testing in automotive domain starts from, the design and how it actually runs various types of tests on the vehicle, right? Engineers design and run car performance tests. Data is collected from sensors, speed checks, safety systems, etc. AI analyzes all of this data quickly, spotting things like hidden patterns or warning signs. Engineers use the AI report to make faster and better decisions. Cars are improved with better design tweaks, safety updates, and performance changes. The AI did not take over any engineer's job here. It made their work smarter and more accurate. Did the AI really replace engineers here? Not at all. But it spotted things in data that were easy for people to miss out. That helped the teams take action sooner and make better decisions. So it did not replace the expert, it supported him. So this is the kind of projects that makes one's mindset change to think about how AI is used as a productivity tool and not a threat. AI isn't about taking over. It's about removing your boring and repetitive tasks that you actually do on your daily basis. Think about all the time that you spend starting emails, updating the spreadsheets, reporting the same repeated tasks and same reports every single day. AI can do those jobs so you can focus on your creative thinking, decision making, and ideation aspects. It's like having an assistant who gets never tired. It helps you move faster, stay organized, and even be more creative. It doesn't replace your value, it gives you more time to use it. AI is showing up in nearly every single field out there. Healthcare, spotting diseases and helping hospitals run smoothly, education, tools that match each student's pace and needs, finance, catching fraud and managing risks, farming, smart watering, watching crops, etc., etc., entertainment, recommending music, shows, even helping the story writers to write their stories and coming up with new ideas, shipping, space, automotive, you name, every single domain has AI impact widely, and that is actually making its progress every single where. AI doesn't erase jobs, it changes them, and it changes the definition of the jobs in the coming future. It turns people into planners, thinkers, and designers while AI handles heavy work. But here's what AI cannot do. It cannot be human. It can never ever be human. It doesn't feel, it doesn't care, nor is it created from emotions. It doesn't ask why. It can look at the data, but it cannot find deep meanings behind it, and it cannot find the emotions behind this data. If you want to do well in the age of AI, you need to learn how to use it. We bring curiosity, kindness, humor, love, things machine can't copy, things that machine cannot be produced. It's never ever humans versus machines. It's all about humans working with the machines. Just like calculators didn't ruin math, AI won't end work. It just changes how we do it, and it changes the definition around the work that we do. AI is not here to take away your spark. AI is not here to take away your job. AI is not here to take away your identity or your passion. It's here to cut the noise through. So do not avoid it. Learn to use it. Try it, explore, and see what it can actually do for you. Because here's the truth. AI will not replace you, but someone using AI might. So get started. Be curious. Learn how it works. Don't fear the change. Be part of it. Tell me in the comments, how are you using AI today? How is it actually impacting your personal and professional life? Hit that like button and subscribe for more such content. Let's learn together and let's stay connected. So having all said that, I'm Sunil signing off. See you all soon in another video. Until then, take care and stay safe.